Hey travel family, it's the OCD Traveler, and today I'm coming at you with one more product review. So last year my wife and I decided to go on a major milestone vacation to celebrate our 20th wedding anniversary. 20 years of wedded bliss to yours truly. You can imagine my wife wanted to celebrate that. So I needed to get some new luggage. We were going to take a total of 8 flights to get there and back. So what do you think I selected? The Monos luggage system or the away bags? Those were my top 2 choices, but let's find out where I ultimately went.
Do you get as much satisfaction in creating your travel plans as you do from the actual act? Well, if so, you may be like me, so join me while I plan, travel, then repeat. I am the OCD Traveler.
Packing. Never fun, but always necessary. And for a trip as far as we were about to go, I had to make sure that I had the right luggage. You pack it up, you stow it away, you pull it through the airport, but it's so important that it gets there intact and looking good so that it doesn't overshadow the rest of your vacation. The away bags were the first option that I looked at. I wanted a medium-sized bag that I knew I'd have to check that was $345, but that wasn't going to be enough. I wanted to get a standard carry-on as well. As you can see here, the standard carry-on was $275, so quite a bit when you add both of those bags together. They did give it a discount, looks like $50 for buying 2, but still $570, more than I wanted to spend. So next I looked at the apple of luggage, Monos Travel. Again, I wanted a medium-sized bag as well as one that I could carry on. So I selected one of each. $255 for the carry-on. I will note, black was not available at the time. And then a medium-sized bag was going to run another $325. You can see some sale prices there. And then they gave you a $10 off per set as a bundle. So a total of a $20 discount, but $560 all told. But then I found the set that I would ultimately go with by Travelpro, the Roundtrip collection. Travelpro is a known brand. Flight attendants, pilots are known to use them. Lifetime warranty, a really good value. My father always talked about how good these were, so I added this set, both a carry-on, kind of small size, as well as that medium-sized spinner. And you can see it was on sale for $329.99. But wait, there's more. Back in September when I actually ordered this, they were running a 15% off promo. So you can see that saved me another $50. And when I went to do this video, they had a 10% off promo just for signing up for their email. So there's definitely promos available. But then in addition, Amex, through my Amex Platinum card, was running a $30 off promo if you spent more than $200. So boom, another $30 off. So that means I got that set on the left for a total price of $267.33. That's half the price of the Monos or of the away bag. But how does it perform? I thought you'd never ask. Let's take a look. But before I do, I'd be remiss to not remind you to like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell so I can continue to bring you content. So look, I get it, I'm different. I keep the box that almost everything came in, but especially luggage. What a great way to make sure you keep it organized and you keep it clean. But boom, we will pop it out. You can take a look. The first thing I'll call your attention to is the TSA lock. You can also see that there's really no major scuffing. Opens up nice and easy. Really good zipper. The zipper never catches. It's always in good shape. And when you pop it open, you can see right then and there, you've got the nesting carry-on bag associated with it as well. The other thing I really like about both bags, both the medium as well as the small bag, is they each have zipper dividers. So you can really use that as kind of compression to organize your stuff and really do it even without having travel pods if you use those. All right, we'll go ahead and get this zipped up. We'll get that telescoping handle out. It's a great handle, really sturdy. On the medium bag, it's going to be a single piece. On the smaller bag, you're going to see that it's a 2-piece. Obviously not enough space to telescope, so it's a 2-piece on the carry-on. All right, and then it's on to the carry-on. It's got all the same functionality. 2-piece handle. It does have the TSA lock. They both have expanders. They both have the compression sleeves. They both have lifetime warranties, which I'm going to point to next in the card, which you're not going to be able to see, but all in all, a really great bag. Well, there you have it. Before I go any further, let me invite you to like and subscribe and go ahead and turn on that notification bell so you'll know every time I release new content. But that's my review of the Travelpro set. I selected it and I couldn't be any happier. Half the price, a lifetime warranty. It's really the choice of a lot of travel professionals. They probably go with those soft sides a little bit more than the hard side, but I am satisfied. 14 trips, 27,000 miles, and they still look great. Sure, there's a little bit of scratching, but not the scuffs that I probably would have experienced on those other bags. So I encourage you to take a look at Travelpro if you're in the market for luggage. And in the meantime, I invite you to plan, travel, and repeat with me. Go ahead one more time and hit like and subscribe. And I'm going to throw up another review of a product of the half-day travel garment duffel if you want to see some of my other content. Take care, everybody.